On the off chance that you're searching at the HEDERA hashgraph bar cost forecast or tracking down the capacity of the bar coin, this Longworth measure can be important for you. This HEDERA hashgraph cost surmise depends upon our huge explicit appraisal and past execution of the bar coin. Here we will try to dissect the limit of HEDERA coin and make a cost check for the going with 10 years as information accumulated from the undertaking's webpage. The bar token is a close by distinguishing proof of the HEDERA hashgraph dApp's normal structure. HEDERA hashgraph is one of the most creative conceivable attempt-grade public relationship for the decentralized economy. HEDERA intends to be a central part in the applications piece. The HEDERA stage licenses individual draftsmen and new companies to make decentralized applications. dApps most effectively. HEDERA hashgraph has critical strong regions because of its smart methodology and cutting-edge headway as we found on the HEDERA website. There are incomprehensibly eminent affiliations including Google, IBM, Boeing and LG that own and regulate the HEDERA biological system. With its solid area, the HEDERA hashgraph coin has an astounding future in the event that you're proposing to hold any dApp's endeavors base token in significant length. The bar coin can add no extra to your resources since its goodbye. The HEDERA hashgraph has shown wide progression in the crypto market, undoubtedly even in a negative run. dApp's tokens don't fall that much as we saw with picture tokens and other altcoins. With its turn of events and social affair by the tech Goliaths, the unavoidable predetermination of HEDERA bar coin looks engaging. The bar coin can take off in moving toward quite a while, assuming more financial allies and tech Goliaths draw into the undertaking. By cryptos change their costs dependably, and bar coin isn't novel. The HEDERA hashgraph thoroughly searches considering solid areas for its and decentralized financial supporters. Obviously, in beginning a surprisingly long time of 2022, HEDERA costs can appear at a commensurate level to their past all-time high. If you're craving to hold bar coin for the fairly lengthy, it will overall be a valuable hypothesis. Expecting the market goes bullish for HEDERA, the cost could climb a lot higher than our HEDERA hashgraph cost figure. Bar cost expectation 2022. All cryptos are showing a negative show in 2022. To be certain, even Bitcoin and Ethereum are low, as is HEDERA hashgraph, as shown by our cost assessment. Bar coin can appear at the most silly degree of 0.75 near the fruition of 2022. The normal cost of the bar coin can be around 0.41 out of 2022. Tolerating that everything does as expected, there are chances that the HEDERA hashgraph can beat its last ATH in 2022. Notwithstanding, bar costs can be unstable like other cryptos. Tolerating that costs get again negative in the month end, the bar coin can go on the base degree of 0.34. HEDERA hashgraph cost expectation 2023. HEDERA coin has impossible potential, assuming you have it to some degree long vision. According to our HEDERA coin cost presumption, HEDERA coin can appear at a greatest worth level of 123 by 2023. Expecting there is a bull rally in 2023, the costs of HEDERA coin could flood more than our HEDERA coin cost figure anyway. The typical cost of HEDERA coin can be around 0.98. Also, assuming there is any awful model, the base cost of the HEDERA coin token can be down up to 0.85. Bar cost expectation 2025. The year 2025 can be a remarkable year for the HEDERA hashgraph too. In regards to the accompanying cryptos, there are solid prospects that the bar coin can hit its 5 imprint this year. According to our supposition stage, the bar ought to legitimize a for the most part incredible worth of 798 out of 2025, while the base cost can go up to 454, tolerating the market gets negative. Notwithstanding, the bar coin can deal with its not unexpected cost at 659 out of 2025. Tolerating that there is any bull rally in 2025, the costs of the HEDERA coin could ascend fundamentally higher than our bar coin cost figure. Bar cost forecast 2030. In the year 2030, crypto market can see 2 or 3 moderate changes by making a definite cost figure. To the degree that this would be conceivable, as irksome notwithstanding, if you're an essential financial advocate in HEDERA coin, you can get unfathomable returns in 2030. Considering long property by 2030, bar coin can appear at a generally preposterous degree of 2115. It is guessed that the HEDERA coin can end in 2030 with a standard cost of 1528. Other than expecting the market gets negative, the base cost of the bar coin can go up to 1192. A bull rally is by and large ludicrous. Cost figure for HEDERA coin is 15,561 out of 2040. Expecting the market gets bullish, the HEDERA coin could flood more than our HEDERA hashgraph bar cost expectation in 2040. Well, the base worth level can be around 11,745. Tolerating that the market gets negative HEDERA hashgraph cost expectation 2050. HEDERA coin has astonishing potential. Tolerating you will hold it to whatever extent may be practical. The year 2050 can end with an ordinary cost of 56,587. Well, the base worth of HEDERA coin can be around 54,131 after such a long excursion. Nearby HEDERA coin, different cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most crazy cost ought to exchange around 58,943 on the off chance that more financial support are drawn to the HEDERA in the middle. Between these years, the costs of HEDERA coin can be altogether higher in 2050 than our cost check could bar. Whenever anytime arrive at 1 as the HEDERA hashgraph coin siphoned enormously in 2021. Different crypto vendors are charmed to know whether the HEDERA hashgraph token can arrive at 1 out of 2022. According to our HEDERA hashgraph bar cost expectation, there is no sign that the HEDERA hashgraph coin can arrive at 1 this year. At any rate, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit, as we have found in the beyond a sensational bull rally or bear rally can whip all of the cost suspicions like a burst. By relationship with other blockchain affiliations and neighborhood, the HEDERA hashgraph coin could hit its one place before our HEDERA coin cost figure. Several new postings on premium trades and token consuming in satisfactory absolute may correspondingly broaden the worth of the HEDERA hashgraph coin. Is HEDERA hashgraph a quick speculation? Some crypto investigators recognize that bar coin can be an extraordinary premium throughout a lengthy time. The HEDERA hashgraph has many use cases that make the HEDERA coin different in the multitude of cryptos. Tolerating basically briefly that our and unnecessarily lengthy financial support in the HEDERA hashgraph projected will overall be evidently advantageous. The HEDERA coin has the sponsorship of 2 or 3 advancement Goliaths, and their help makes HEDERA with correlating, as demonstrated by our HEDERA coin cost figure. The worth of HEDERA will keep on filling in the joint 5 years by beating the 5 imprint around the culmination of 2025. Disregarding the way that the cost could increment, no one anytime can genuinely tell when HEDERA can change its cost heading to whatever point. As cryptos change their detriment direction dependably, it's difficult to make a careful worth measure of bar coin or some other crypto. A bet evaluation is major before any undertaking. As we found during our assessment of HEDERA hashgraph bar cost figure, there is a higher entryway that the cost of HEDERA will increment in the going with 10 years. At any rate, we overall recommend our perusers do their veritable examination prior to pursuing any speculation choice. HEDERA is undeniably an amazing crypto resource with promising improvement. In any case, all cryptos are similar, sporadic, and their costs perform like a thrill ride. HEDERA cost forecast 2027 as shown by our huge explicit assessment on past worth information of bar. In 2027, the cost of HEDERA is supposed to be at around a base worth of 0.83. The HEDERA regard worth can appear at a limitation of 0.99 with the ordinary exchanging worth of 0.86 in USD. What is the HEDERA cost today? HEDERA bar is exchanging at 0.10 with the market cap of 2,137,290,732,000. What will be the bar most critical figure cost for 2022? The bar cost ought to appear at a generally absurd degree of 0.15 around the consummation of 2022. Is HEDERA bar an adroit hypothesis? HEDERA's worth ought to keep on creating as need will, generally speaking, assist with costing rise. If nobody truly minds, note there is a wager to any undertaking. Just put resources into what you can achieve prior to appearing at any objectives and lead the most ideal examination. How high could HEDERA whenever eventually go? The average expense of HEDERA bar could go to 0.13 preceding the continuous years completed. The process of expecting we measure the 5-year plan. It is reviewed that the coin will helpfully come to the 0.59 imprint. What total will HEDERA be worth in 2030? To the degree that value, HEDERA has an unprecedented potential to appear at new levels. It is measure that bar will increment in view as exhibited by unambiguous prepared experts and business experts. HEDERA can hit the most outrageous cost of 455 till 2030. Does HEDERA coin have a future? Today, HEDERA coin is one of the most prominent altcoins keeping an eye out. Not long after a few broad stretches of boat off, HEDERA coin has gotten the possibility of the crypto neighborhood changed into the very 100 token by the market